Hi everyone, this is Terry from Allen Art and Design. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'd really love to hear what you think of my projects. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Happy crafting. Good afternoon, this is Terry from Allen Art and Design. Hope everybody's having a nice afternoon. Having my Diet Pepsi with lemon. I wanted to show you what I bought at Lizzi Brewer's online yard sale on her channel. She's trying to raise money for her daughter Jennifer, who has cancer. So people are going onto her channel and purchasing things to help her raise money. So I purchased this lace kit, and it came in this cigar box, which I love cigar boxes. Store things in, and I think I might actually cover this one. And I like to put a ribbon tab here so you can open it, because it's hard to open without it. So I'm thrilled to have, that's another project for another day. I wanted to show you what came in this beautiful box. This pretty doily. I'll use that in a needle book or a snippet roll. I could use this on just about any kind of a stitching project. This I thought was cute. I'm gonna do a boho journal, and I think that would be perfect for that. Very pretty. Then there's all kinds of laces. I just love laces. I'm always looking for laces for my needle books and my slow stitch projects. That's a pretty blue. This almost feels like a suede almost. That's very cool. See, that could actually go on the cover of a boho journal. Very nice. Look at this cute little butterfly. I love these things. Little hearts, so sweet. And then this is some twine with some ribbon wrapped around it. This is a great idea because you can buy this leaf ribbon at like Michael's. Used to be Joanne Fabrics. We used to get a lot of things like that. And then you just wrap it around some twine and make your own ribbon twine. Isn't that pretty? Okay, and then there's a little thing of, oh, if I can open it. Sorry for the crinkles. And let's see, I'll pour it out onto this dish. It'd be easier for you to see. Roses and ribbons. I don't really have a lot of this, so these are great. Look at that. These would be awesome on needle books and snippet rolls and crafts. I love them. Beautiful. And then look at these two pretty pieces. I love those. I'm a Libra, so I love things to balance. So I love when I get things that come in twos like this. I love that. Those are really pretty. We got some green trim. Very pretty. It's very delicate. Love it. Pretty. Oh, a little blue doily. Isn't that pretty? What else do we have? Oh, little daisies. I love these. See, I would probably, this one maybe I would keep that like that, but I could cut those apart. And there's some here that have yellow in the middle. I would definitely use those on snippet rolls and needle books and slow stitch projects. Love them. Ooh, look at this. Those are pretty. You could cut them individually or use it as a strip like that. Then there's some pretty white lace, but it also has a little bit of shimmer. Isn't that pretty? There's lots of stuff in here. And then this is a pretty, might have came off of a blouse or something, like the neck of a blouse. That's really pretty. That could go around something. Very nice. Isn't that pretty? It's got some bling on it. It looks like it's from a wedding dress or something. I love it. Let me move this out of the way. Make some room. Ooh, look at this. That's pretty too. I love lace. This is why when I saw it, she had shown it the week before, and I was like, oh, I would love to buy that. And it just so happens I noticed that her live was on. So I jumped on there, and wouldn't you know, she was showing that. Look at how pretty that is. She was showing this lace kit, and I bid on it, and I won. And I'm so thrilled that I did. I love it. Can never have enough of this. I think that's very pretty. I love the color of it. Oh, we got, oh, look at this tiny, tiny little trim. Isn't that pretty? Love that. Oh, and this is like a Battenberg. That's nice. I like that. I just used some of this on my slow stitched fabric project folder. I know, it's a mouthful, but I used some of it and I loved it, so that's great. Let's see what else we have. Got another, like a tan or cream colored one. That's pretty. Love it. There's so much in here. Another little doily. How cute is that? Love it. Oh, and here's some more lace. Love that. See, now I would put that on a pin cushion. That would definitely go around a pin cushion. Love it, because I make pin cushions out of recycled china. And here's just a tiny little piece that you can applique onto something. Very nice. Oh, and here's some eyelet. There's some off-white. There's 2 pieces of that. Love it. One's smaller than the other, it looks like. So that's really nice. You could layer it up. Put that over here. And then this is beautiful too. Look at that. It's got like a little scene on it. A house with trees, birds, people, dogs. Oh, no, it's a cat. Very pretty. It's got nice trim on there. Love it. Put that there. I did zoom in so that you could hopefully see this. Isn't that pretty? Love that. So I've got some whites and I've got some creams. I think I'll put this one over here with these. Oh, and this is pretty too. Look at that. It's just, it's a little ruffle and it's got some ribbon on it. Very nice. Oh, there's another piece of it. Oh, beautiful. Again, that could go on a pin cushion or the bottom of a needle book or whatever you want. Look at that piece. Isn't that pretty? Roses on it. Oh, love it. Got another one here. I just love it. It's just like pieces off of things. Now, I just used something like this on my on that project that I was finishing up. It was a big long piece, and the piece actually fit on my project from top to bottom perfectly, and it was this kind of a lace or trim. It's not lace, it's a trim. Isn't that pretty? I would definitely be using that. Ooh, this is another ruffled one. Oh, there's a few pieces of that. How pretty. Love it. Very nice. I think that's backwards. Yeah, they're both backwards because there's ribbon on the top. Look at how pretty that is. Very nice. And then I have a doily. Oh, I love that. Very nice. Then we have a square one. Oh, look at that. That's really cool. And then there's a green one. This would be perfect on like a slow stitch Christmas. You know, I've been watching To Be Loved Treasures by Corinne. She's making a beautiful Christmas runner for her coffee table. And she's using all kinds of cool stuff from her stash. And this is the kind of thing that you could use on that. And let's see what else. Oh, look at this one. A little more Battenberg around the edges. That's beautiful. You could put something right in the middle for the focal point. Keep that hole just the way it is. Love it. And then the last thing is, look at that one. I love it. It's all ruffled. I mean, you could put that like this around a project. You could keep it whole. You could cut it up if you wanted to. I don't think I would, but you could if you wanted to. Isn't that pretty? I just love everything that came in here. Thank you, Lizzie. I just love it. I'm so excited that I was able to get it. I just love everything in this box. And I will be using all of it in different projects. I'm thrilled. Really, really happy with this. So I'm just gonna put everything right back in there. It looks so pretty. Let's see what else we got. I love all the different colors, the different textures. Really nice. What a great variety. Awesome. I just love these. So cute. I can wrap that around. I don't know what I would use that for, but I will find something. I always find ways to use the things that I have. I just think they're beautiful. All of it, everything in here. It's great. So go ahead and go over to Lizzie's channel tonight. She's doing another live yard sale, and I'm definitely going to be there. She showed something last week that I'm interested in, so I'm going to try to go and bid on that too. The other thing I'm doing is I'm collecting things from my craft room, and I'm going to send out a whole bunch of stuff to her to help her out with her yard sale. So, you know, if we can help out another YouTuber that's, you know, that's in need, I'm glad to do it. I have more than my share of craft supplies, and I have no problem sharing with someone else, especially if it's going to benefit them and their family. So, her name is Lizzi Brewer. That's the name of her channel, and she's a wonderful lady. And Lala Gamma is helping her with the live, and she's great too. So hope to see you there. Happy crafting.